In this video, I'll show you a possible way to fix the ads not loading problem in Speedy Quark or similar free VPN apps. This issue usually happens because the app can't load ads due to your network, DNS settings, or a temporary problem with the ad servers. Since free VPNs depend on ads, the app may not work if the ads don't load. Now let's try a simple fix. Open your phone settings and search for private DNS. Tap on private DNS. If you're using a custom DNS, change it back to automatic and save the settings. Or, if you're currently using automatic and want to test another option, select private DNS provider hostname and enter dns.adguard.com, then tap Save. Now open the VPN app again and check if the ads are loading. Keep in mind that this is not a guaranteed fix. It may work for some users, but it can also stop some free VPN apps from working because they require ads to connect. If it doesn't help, switch your private DNS back to automatic. That's it for this video.